Hi guys, today I will show how to solve the problem of Samsung American freeze. This model number is rs56 xdzns. Actually the structure of the freeze, there are lots of freeze the same structure inside. So today I will replace this part because it's a little bit old and the air will inside it, and another thing is that's why the defrosting system is not work perfectly. So first of all we have to take out this screw. After that, so I already take out this screw. After that you have to pull it out like this way, and here there is another 3 screwdriver, this one, and that one. 3 screwdriver you have to remove. So I already open all 3 screw. So you have to just be careful about this one. You have to remove this one first, and after you just open like this way, and there is 2 connection. You have to remove it also. So I already take this part. Lots of people, they don't remove this parts, but I think it's better to take it out, and after that it's a bit easier to take this one. So be careful, you have to disconnect this 2 connection also. I already ordered this one. This is the new one that I will replace, and this is the catalog manual. So here is mentioned what are the model, almost same, and what the model that you can use. So after that you have to take out these 2, this and that one. After you have to take out this one. So pull it over here, and you have to remove this thing. Be careful. So there is another 2 screw, this one and that one, this one and that one. After easily it will come out. So I already take out. Look, lots of ice inside. When it increase the ice inside here, not getting cold, and hot. And I'm going to replace because it has broken here, and it's too much heavy, it's too much hard, so it's too much heavy. That's why I would like to replace this one to resolve the problem. If you compare the things, the shape and design everything is same. Just this one is too much heavy, old one, and new one is too much light. So I think the problem will be resolved. Now I will remove this ice with this hair dryer. Help me to remove all the glass shortly. So now there is no more ice inside. So those 2 parts are same. This one is old, this one is new. So now I will all the screw I will fit in the same shape, and I will fix it. So I already fix it up in the same position. Where would be top? This one should be. So this is okay. It's fine. So we have to fix it. This part is over here. In mind, before attach this, you have to connect this thing. So like that. So connection is okay. I just attach the thing. So twin cooling is working now. So this is the fact. So it's quite easy to repair, to change the parts in American fridge. If you like, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.